For those unfamiliar, Notion is an all-in-one workspace for note-taking, project management, and collaboration. It's loved by individuals, teams, and even Fortune 500 companies. But with a free version that's so powerful, how does Notion make money? Let's uncover their business model. First up, Notion operates on a freemium model. This means anyone can sign up for free and get access to robust features. However, for those needing advanced tools, they offer paid plans. Let's look at their pricing tiers. For individuals, priced around $8 a month, includes unlimited file uploads, version history, and more customization. At $15 per user per month, teams can collaborate with admin tools and advanced sharing capabilities. Tailored for large organizations, pricing varies and includes custom security and support. Notion doesn't just cater to individuals. They actively target businesses with features like knowledge bases, team wikis, and project management tools. Notion positions itself as an essential tool for productivity and collaboration in the workplace. Large companies often opt for enterprise plans, contributing significantly to revenue. Notion's integrations with other tools expand its functionality, making it indispensable for teams. They also foster partnerships with creators and developers, promoting paid templates and add-ons through their marketplace. While Notion doesn't directly take a cut, these partnerships amplify their reach and value. Another revenue stream comes from Notion's global strategy. By localizing their product and offering community-driven resources like ambassador programs, Notion builds a loyal user base. This drives organic upgrades to paid plans. Lastly, Notion has raised millions in funding from investors who believe in its long-term vision. This allows the company to innovate, expand its features, and attract even more paying users. So, that's how Notion generates income. A mix of freemium subscriptions, B2B services, partnerships, and a strong global presence. If you're a Notion fan, upgrading to a paid plan not only enhances your experience, but also supports their growth.